It was quite a intensive course compared to what I've done, and well, uh, had a couple that were quite demanding, but that one was slightly not so technically focused. So it was a bit of a new to me on that side of things. It was, I think, because of the new setup, it was slightly differently run, probably in the virtual classrooms. But there was a fair amount of prep work prior to the course as well. And through the course, basically, as soon as it started, we just hit the ground running straight away. There was no introduction, sort of who knows what. It's basically straight into it, which was really good because it was a good intensive course rather than spending time on some basic PowerPoints. So that was really enjoyable. And also the people on the course coming from different industries, that was quite good to see how they approach certain aspects of the projects, and also in the teamwork the group exercises, sort of bouncing off ideas and looking at how people approach certain parts of the projects and things like that. That was really, really good. I think the biggest challenge from myself was there was still quite a few projects heavily on the go, so sort of trying to cut off from uh, working. That was one of the things. People just usually you would go away for a course, so they would know you're on a course, but it was just another day sitting at home. So for some people, it was just you're just there at the end of the phone. So sort of trying to get that across and sort of switching things off. That was one of the, I think, main aspects to that. But the course itself, the setup, the virtual classrooms and things like that, these were very well prepared. So they made a good experience of it. I think it's the big thing for me was the looking at the whole project life cycle from the very beginning at the quoting stage, taking it all the way through to the supporting it once delivered, sort of putting certain building blocks in place to make sure that all those things are captured and the impact of any changes can be minimized, both for benefit of the customer and ourselves, minimizing the cost, obviously. Also, I think there was quite a few things that for myself to sort of efficiency and increasing the confidence we're planning and looking at things, that was quite important to myself. From the business side of things, I think there's been quite a few things that both myself and Alan picked up, which are sort of recognized organizational aspects, systems that we could put in place, not only for the projects, but the operations side of the business as well. That could obviously make the business run smoother and become more efficient.